What is going on, YouTube? We have arrived here in Niagara Falls, New York, which is so far kind of, cool. We're staying at a Super 8, which is, cheap, quick, which would explain this view out of our room. Not the best view from a hotel I've ever been, but if we want to be kind of creepy and really, really weird, we do have the pool out the other window. So, point is, we are here. We are going to the falls very, very shortly. So I will keep you guys posted. I'll have stuff from the game, and yeah, check that out. Doing drugs in that place? Niagara Falls. It's not as loud as I thought it would be. Not even a little bit. You? No, you've been here before.
I thought it'd be louder.
Thought it'd be louder?
I did.
I also thought it would be louder. I'm kind of surprised that it's not. There's Canada. Canada. We're on the American side, in case you couldn't tell. Could you? Wait, that's me. That's you. It is game day today. Isn't that right, Chad?
Yes, bro.
It is game day. Holy shit. It came quick. It is here. We are leaving very soon. It is 9:21 in the morning. The game doesn't start till 1, but it's a 45-minute drive from here to the stadium. From there, it's tailgating time because apparently Buffalo has a awesome tailgating party all the time, every time. I've got my Bills garb on. I don't know if you can see that. You see that? Look at that. Bills stuff. I'm good to go with my Bills stuffs. Chad's got his Raiders gear on. He's good to go. Amanda's in her room. She's preparing her Bills stuff, packing up her gear so we can get the fudge out of here. Tailgating.
I can't believe I just spent $5 on this to throw it away.
Oh, the soda?
Yeah.
Hello. Say hello, Amanda.
Hi!
Chad. Game day, isn't it?
Yeah!
YouTube. Wait, don't play the theme song. It's the same video. Just relax for a second. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. That was a little bit of my vacation. I'd like to do more stuff like that, so stay tuned. Hopefully I will. I'll get the opportunity and you guys can check that out. And until then, I'm going to go to bed because I have been up all night because of work and editing this. So yeah, so check it out, and I will have something new for you guys very, very soon, I promise. Alright, later guys.
Let's go Buffalo.